In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon from the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to, you can delete anything from Clipboard by swiping it to the left, to the right, or holding it and choosing delete in the pop-up. You can also pin or delete anything thanks to this pen at the top right corner. Just click on it, select anything from Clipboard and pick one of those two options at the top right corner. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!